guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today is my last day in Mombasa and I'm going to do a video of what I carried versus what I actually wore. So sometimes I feel like I'm super extra, not even sometimes, I think I know I'm extra when it comes to packing stuff for traveling. So we'll start with the shoes, where the shoes are, and then two other things. Cool. So for the shoes this time round I didn't carry heels at least, but I wore all of them. Yeah, so I carried these rings. I think I wore all of them, I'm sure. Then all this stuff that you're seeing right now, whatever, all that. And then of course my jewelries are here. 1 minute, yeah, here they are. I didn't wear all of them, of course, but yeah, sometimes it's just good to carry a lot of things. And then of course the glasses I ended up wearing, I carried 3 but I ended up wearing these 2, these ones and these ones. These ones I didn't get to wear them. I carried 4 of these. I have only worn this one, no, this one and this one, these two. So this one maybe I'll wear one when I'm leaving. And then yeah, so we are done with that part. It's like my whole dressing table from home is here, but imagine, you know. So guys, let's start with the easiest, the quickest. I carried 3 hats. I carried this and this. I ended up wearing this. I think I wore it when I was, no, actually today is the first time that I'm wearing this. But yeah, I carried 3, so I ended up wearing this. So these 2, I'm still trying to see if I can wear them. Was it necessary to carry them? I have no idea. Yep. Of course I carried 1 blanket. We've been using it. My plan was to go for a picnic, but it's been raining. It rained so much in Mombasa, we didn't get a chance to go for picnic, but we used it in-house when we were watching some movies. So yeah, it came in handy because it was a bit cold, not as warm as Mombasa is always warm. Yep, so that one worked. At least I carried it and I used it. I carried 3 scarves. This and this. Because this time round, it was the first time I was traveling with my open hair, so I thought I was gonna tie it, but wapi, all of them, going back, didn't use them. There. Swimming costumes, I carried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I carried 6 swimming costumes. Remember guys, you're coming here for 6 days, so I carried 6 swimming costumes. All these I didn't wear. The only one that I ended up wearing was this one. Yes, again. Then I carried 2 cover-ups. This one and this one. I didn't wear any of them, by the way. So again, unnecessary. You know, when you're traveling, it's usually good to plan. Like just carry a dress even if there is no date that is gonna happen. But just carry a dress. You never know. Being a woman, and let's say if you're single out there, there's always someone who will try to hit on you and maybe they'll ask you on a date. So it's good to travel when you're prepared. So I carried this one. This is a dress, but of course not for a date. So I carried 2 dresses for going on dates. There's only one that is here because we ended up going out for dinner with my friends. So yeah, it wasn't planned for, but somehow it just came through. So I ended up carrying this white dress, and it's very dirty by the way. So yeah, so at least it came in handy. I carried 2 dresses for dinner. I wore 1, so the other one is I think somewhere. So at least I carried 2 dresses for dinner. I wore 1 of them. Gym wear, I carried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you imagine I carried 5 gym clothes? Like I thought I was going to work out like for 5 days. I ended up working out only 1 day at the beach, which we shot. So this is what I wore, and this is all I carried for gym. So all this I didn't get to wear. 5 of them. Yeah, so this is the only thing that I wore. So every time I travel, I usually feel like it's easy to slip on loose t-shirts. So I carried a couple of them to slip on. This one. I carried a short, of course, and a vest. another short. So there were like 4 of them, 4 sets of stuff to wear, like of course going to bed. I ended up sleeping naked at some point because the heat was too much. There's a day it was really hot, so of course you end up removing everything. But on what I wore, actually, I wore these ones and this one. This one is still not a big one though. Maybe I'll use it tonight. Yeah. So again, on that. Oh, I carried also these ones for gym. I didn't use them. I thought I was gonna lift stuff, but no. So people go to Mombasa to have fun, and people know that Mombasa is very hot. But Christine Minani, always, like, I love carrying socks. I carried 3 pairs. I think the other one Fiona been using. I didn't get to wear them, but yeah, I carried socks because I don't like walking barefoot in the house, and I like keeping my feet warm. So yeah, I didn't use them anyway. Wait, so I carried 2 jackets. I wore this one when I was coming, but this one I've not worn. Up to date. Then now these are all the clothes that I carry that I was supposed to wear. They are like one, now the tops, like the shirts, the t-shirts, the crop tops and all. I carried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11. No, 11, and then there's 12. So 12 of them. I carried all these 12. I ended up wearing, this one has not been worn. I think I'll wear it tomorrow, going back to Nairobi. So yeah, so let's leave that aside. So I ended up wearing this one, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I didn't get to wear all these unnecessarily. This is all that I wore. So I came with 1 trouser, 1 skirt, 4 micro mini shorts. Are they booty shorts? Maybe yes, booty shorts. So 4 of them. And now these ones are like almost 3/4-ish shorts. This one I came wearing this one, so at least this one was one. Yeah. And then so let's say on the shorts I wore this one. This one I'll be wearing when going to Nairobi. I wore this one. So this and this have not been worn. At least on the shorts only these 2 have not been worn. If you go to the skirt, this skirt, I came with this tiny skirt, but wapi, it has not been worn, still clean. I came with these pants, has not been worn also, still clean. So, yeah. So I came with 3 rompers, 2 dungarees. On all of them, on the rompers actually on the rompers I haven't worn any. Like I didn't get to wear any of this. So all of them clean and necessary. On the dungarees, at least I got to wear this one yesterday. This other one, which is short dungaree, I didn't get to wear it. So again, unnecessary. So of course I carried many bras. This can go somewhere. Many. Did I wear all of them? No. But again, did I even wear them? I don't know how you travel. I don't know how you park. But please, guys, I am looking for an advice. How do you get to park light whenever you're traveling? Are you the kind of person that just carries 4 shorts or 2 shorts or 1 shirt, 1 whatever, 1 skirt, 1, you know? I don't know. How do you make your parking easy and make sure that everything that you carry, everything that you pack, you get to actually wear them and not carry unnecessary stuff like you've seen on my video. So yeah, the other thing that I usually travel with is this baby, my baby, Nick. So I just feel nice when I carry one of my teddy bears whenever I go for holidays. So that's it for today, and I've made it easier for you guys. So this is what I came with that I wore, and this is what I came with that I didn't get to wear, all that you're seeing over here. So I have to end this vlog here. And if you have tips on how to make it easier for you, like you carry the things that you will really need during your vacation, kindly advise, just leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly press the red button, or just my face, my head that you're seeing over there. And then for those who like it, please thumbs up. But I need your advice, because the next trip that I'm going to take, I don't want to be in this mess again, because I don't want to be carrying heavy stuff that I don't even use. I need help. Clearly I need help. Look, see, 6 days I carried all this. 6 days I carried all this. I thought I was gonna wear all of them, but this is me. I'm here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.